California. It's the heart of the Western world's film industry. It's diverse in geography, and it's rich in culture. The West Coast state of California is known for its many attractions that lure travelers year-round. From famous landmarks such as the Golden Gate Bridge and the Hollywood sign, to the Golden State's rich outdoor opportunities, this eclectic state makes for a well-rounded vacation. Here's a look at the best places to visit in California. Number 10. Death Valley. Death Valley, with over 3 million acres of designated wilderness and hundreds of miles of paved and backcountry roads. Located in the Mojave Desert, Death Valley encompasses much of the Death Valley National Park, famous for the highest temperature ever recorded anywhere in the world, a sizzling 134 degrees in July 1936. Although regarded as the driest and lowest place in North America, Death Valley offers a variety of outdoor activities, historic sites, and nature viewing. Places of interest include the scenic vista of Zabriskie Point and historic sites like Scotty's Castle, the Wild Rose charcoal kilns, and ruins of ghost towns. For the best weather, arrive between November and March. In summer, the park's average daytime temperature can often surpass 120 degrees. Number 9. Palm Springs. Soon after World War II, the city offered a luxurious getaway for an interesting mix of Hollywood celebrities and top politicians. Today, Palm Springs is still a hub of mid-century modern architecture. Some former celebrity homes are even vacation rentals. Its pools, spas, and restaurants, many with outdoor seating, attract a wide swath of visitors. It can sometimes feel like another time too, whether you're antique shopping on Palm Canyon Drive or cruising around neighborhoods like Tennis Club to gawk at the architecture. What's more, the colorful sunsets rival those on the coast, and the magnificent desert scenery, where snow-capped mountain ridges mingle with springtime superblooms, should not be missed. Palm Springs passed muster for Hollywood's stars and still delivers on a great mix of fun and relaxation for today's travelers. Number 8. San Diego. California's second-largest city and the United States' 8th largest. With postcard-perfect beaches and year-round sunshine, San Diego is laid-back California at its best. Located just north of the Mexican border, San Diego is a large coastal city with a small-town atmosphere. The most popular attraction in San Diego is America's premier zoo, which is located in Balboa Park with flowering gardens and Spanish architecture. What's more, San Diego offers some of the best California tours, including whale-watching tours, boat tours, and fishing charters. Another tourist magnet, San Diego's stunning coastline, offers miles of fantastic beaches, including the upscale beach neighborhood of La Jolla. Number 7. San Francisco. is a commercial, financial, and cultural center within Northern California, located on a peninsula between the Pacific Ocean and San Francisco Bay. Undoubtedly, the Golden Gate Bridge is the city's #1 attraction. Each year, the Golden Gate Bridge attracts more than 10 million visitors to take in its tremendous 746-foot-tall towers, sweeping main cables, signature international orange color, and Art Deco styling. It is a sensory experience featuring color, light, and sound. In addition, visitors to San Francisco can visit Lombard Street, which is famous for its tight curves, or take a trip to San Francisco's Chinatown section, which is the largest outside of Asia. And then, of course, there are the other big tourist favorites, Fisherman's Wharf and the infamous prison on Alcatraz Island. Number 6. Los Angeles. The second largest city in the USA, Los Angeles is located in Southern California, surrounded by the Pacific Coast, mountains, and valleys. The City of Angels is really as dreamy as they say. Los Angeles is a place where nature and Hollywood glamour collide. Travelers to LA can find some of the best-known places on the planet here, including TCL Chinese Theater and the Walk of Fame. But there's also gorgeous beaches, including wild and crazy Venice Beach and Malibu, the sandy playground favored by movie stars. Los Angeles is also one of the best places in the United States to go in search of celebrities. Tourists can look for celebrity homes or shop at the designer stores in Beverly Hills that cater to the stars. And in LA, travelers can also visit and eat at the same famous restaurants that the celebs and the rich and famous dine at. Number 5. Santa Barbara. Known as the American Riviera, Santa Barbara is a favorite of celebrities like Oprah Winfrey and Tom Cruise for a reason. Located on a pristine stretch of California's central coastline, Santa Barbara brings together the Golden State's Spanish influence, laid-back vibe, and upscale sensibility in a way few places can. The city offers mild weather year-round that's perfect for soaking up some sun on its palm tree-lined beaches. East Beach is a favorite located east of State Street, Santa Barbara's main thoroughfare for shopping and dining, and Stearns Wharf, the oldest working pier in California. At its eastern end, you'll find volleyball courts and a grass park with picnic tables. Rent a Surrey or bike at Wheel Fun Rentals to explore the waterfront and harbor. Just 90 minutes from Los Angeles, whether visiting for just the day or a long weekend, it's a no-brainer. Number 4. Lake Tahoe. is a big blue centerpiece surrounded by massive granite peaks of the Sierra Nevada, with skies reflecting into the largest alpine lake in North America, straddling the California-Nevada border roughly 40 miles outside of Reno, and is a top destination year-round. The lake became a winter sports destination after the 1960s. Winter Olympics were held in Squaw Valley on the North Shore. In winter, Lake Tahoe's panoramic snow-capped mountains beckon to skiers, and when summer hits, locals rent boats in droves as a way to unwind on the lake. Even if your goal is to simply relax, don't leave without a light stroll or hike through Emerald Bay State Park for some of the best views of the lake. Number 3. Yosemite. One of California's most formidable natural landscapes, Yosemite National Park features nearly 1,200 square miles of sheer awe, towering waterfalls, millennia-old sequoia trees, striking, daunting cliff faces, and some of the most unique rock formations in the United States. But despite its enormous size, most of the tourist activity takes place within the 8-square-mile area of Yosemite Valley. Owing to its popularity, Yosemite National Park welcomes a whopping 4 million visitors annually, but thankfully, there's space for everyone amid the sweeping peaks of Half Dome and the gleaming lakes. Number 2. Big Sur. This awe-inspiring destination at the edge of the Pacific Ocean features scenery so spellbindingly beautiful, it has the habit of putting travelers into a trance. Spanning 90 miles of rugged coastline between Carmel by the Sea and San Simeon, the area is a magnet for travelers on road trips, who are attracted by the towering redwood trees and breathtaking beaches along the route. More than just beautiful scenery for driving through, the area also provides plenty of top hiking opportunities, which wind their way through the several state parks encompassed by Big Sur, as well as pathways that lead to wild, seemingly untouched beaches. Number 1. Sequoia. This national park is named after another species of the sequoia family, the Sequoiadendron giganteum, colloquially known as the giant redwood. Located about 80 miles southeast of Fresno, California, in the southern Sierra Nevada mountain range, the park was established in 1890 as a measure to protect the giant trees from being logged, making it America's second national park. Highlights of the park are, of course, the trees. Perhaps the most notable is the General Sherman tree, which has rightfully earned the title of the world's largest tree by volume. It stands 275 feet tall, and its base measures more than 36 feet in diameter. But there is plenty to see and do beyond admiring the park's flora, from exploring caves to hiking to snowshoeing. What's more, the park is open every day of the year, and each season holds its own charms.